hope you all are fine. This is Kaushalya. Today in this video, we will learn about our body parts. We have many body parts. Let us know which body parts are internal body parts and external body parts, which are our sense organs. So see the videos and try to understand about our body parts.
Hello children, good morning. Today in this class, I will explain you about our body parts, how our body parts help us, and which parts are internal and which parts are external body parts. What are our sense organs? How our sense organs help us to know about an object? All of this I will explain you. So listen carefully, okay? Okay, first of all, let us know about our body parts. There are many body parts in human body, such as eyes, nose, ear, hands, shoulders, elbow, legs, foot, palm, fingers. See all these pictures are I am showing you. So see all the pictures. Okay. These are our body parts. Now let us know how our body parts help us. Eyes. Eyes is help us to see. All we can see everything. What are happening in our surrounding, we can see with our eyes. If we don't have eyes, we cannot see anything. Next one, nose. Nose is help us to breathe and smell. We can breathe with our nose and smell with our nose. If we don't have nose, we cannot breathe. Next one is ear. Ears help us to listen. We can hear or listen vehicle horns, dogs barking, phone call, such as many sounds we can hear through our ears. Next one is mouth. Mouth, we eat many types of vegetables or fruits. You drink water or milk, whatever, you do it through your mouth. Next one is hand. Hands are used, we use hands to do a lot of work. See in that picture, I am showing you what works we can do using our hands. Using our hands, we do works like writing, drawing, we can clap, and we can eat food. We can eat food means you can have a doubt. Madam, we eat with our mouth, then how our hands are used, madam? Means మీరు ఏమైనా ఫుడ్ తింటారు కదా, అది మీ చేతిలో నుంచి మీ నోట్ వరకు వస్తేనే కదా మనం ఫుడ్ ని తినగలము. సో హ్యాండ్స్ is help us like this. So hand is help us like this, means if we want to eat a food, our hand is necessary to be there. Without hand, how can the food is reach to our mouth? So hand is also help us to eat food. Next one, legs. Legs. Using our legs, we can walk, jump, dance, play games, run. All of these we can do using our legs. Skin. Next one is skin. Our body is covered with skin. Why our body is covered with skin? Because it protects us from heat and cool. Because of skin, we can able to bear the heat of the sun and the cold. In the cold weather, we can able to bear the cold. The skin is help us like this. Okay, our body parts help us in doing many things and many works, so that all parts of our body are very, very important. In our body, some parts are in singular pair and some are in multiple pair. Okay. Example of singular pair means మన బాడీలోని కొన్ని పార్ట్స్ సింగిల్ గా ఉంటాయి, ఇంకా కొన్ని డబుల్ గా ఉంటుంది, దానికన్నా ఎక్కువ కూడా ఉంటుంది. అయితే సింగులర్ పేర్ గా ఏంటేంటి ఉంటుంది? లెట్స్ నో నోస్, చిన్, నెక్, స్టమక్. See in that picture I am showing you the pictures. Okay, nose we have only a single nose, and we have only a single chin, a single neck, a single stomach. So these are single pair. Now let us know about multiple pairs. Okay, multiple pairs examples are, we have two eyes. See, I am showing you, we have two eyes, two hands, okay, two legs, two cheek, two ears, okay, and we have 10 fingers and 10 toes. Now, how many types of body parts? So in this picture we see all the body parts, so which one, some are singular and some are multiple. But how many types? Our body parts are two types. What are they? The internal body parts and the external body parts. Now I will explain you what are internal body parts and what are the external body parts. First of all, internal body parts. What is internal body parts? The parts which are inside our body, that which we cannot see with our open eyes, are called internal organs or internal body parts. Means some body parts are inside our body, we cannot see them. These parts are called internal body parts. Example, brain, heart, stomach, lung, liver, kidney, small intestine, and large intestine. So I am all the body parts I am showing you in this picture. See the picture clearly, okay? So first, brain. Again I am telling you the internal body parts. Brain, heart, stomach, lung, liver, kidney. These are our internal body parts. We cannot see them because they are inside our body. అంటే అవన్నీ మన బాడీ లోపల ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మనం తనకి ఆ పార్ట్స్ అన్ని మనం చూడలేము. So now I will explain about external body parts. So external body parts means which we can see out of our body is called external body parts. So what are the example of external body parts? Hands, ears, nose, legs, foot, fingers, toes. These are our external body parts. In that picture I am showing you, okay, head, ear, mouth, finger, leg, toes, knee, tongue, nose, eyes. These are our external body part. అంటే ఇవన్నీ మనకి బయటికి కనిపిస్తాయి కదా, మన బాడీలోని ఈ పార్ట్స్ అన్ని మనకి బయటికి కనిపిస్తాయి కదా. సో బయటికి కనిపిస్తాయి కాబట్టి ఈ పార్ట్స్ అన్ని ఎక్స్టర్నల్ బాడీ పార్ట్స్. ఓకే, now I will tell you about sense organs. We have sense organs. So what is sense organ? Sense organ means how we identify an object, either it is cool or hot, it is smell good or bad, it is smooth or rough. How we test? To know about an object, we use our sense organs. అంటే మనం ఏదైనా ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ గురించి మనకి తెలుసుకోవాలి అంటే మనం మన సెన్స్ ఆర్గన్స్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఆ సెన్స్ ఆర్గన్ వల్ల మనకి ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అది ఎలాగుంటుంది, తన టేస్ట్ ఎలాగుంటుంది, అది చూడడానికి ఎలాగుంటుంది, ఇది తన స్మెల్ బాగుంటుందా లేదా, ఇవన్నీ మనకి తెలుస్తుంది. So how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Ear, eye, nose, tongue, and skin. These are our sense organs. And this now I will explain you how our sense organs help us. Eyes help us to see how an object looks like. To identify the object, we use our eyes. అంటే ఏదైనా వస్తువు మీరు చూడాలి దీని వస్తువుకు మనకు చూసినప్పుడు మనం ఎలా పోలుస్తాము దానికి చూస్తేనే కదా మనం పోలుస్తాము సో we identify an object by seeing with our eyes. Next, nose help us to know what kind of smell the objective have. It is good or it is bad. Now I will give you some example. If sometimes you smell a flower, then you can know yes some flowers are good in their smell. Some perfumes also we can smell yes the perfumes are very good. How can we know? We know by the smell. So how can we smell? We smell with our nose. Now let us know about ears. Ears help us to hear. If the object have any sound, we can hear that sound. I will give you some example. In your school, you hear the school bell. Yes or no? Yes. How you can hear the bell? Using ear here. So with our ear, we can hear school bell or whatever the sounds we can hear with our ears. Now let us know about tongue. Tongue is help us to taste if the object is tasty or not. And now I will give you example. If you eat biryani or ice cream or something else, you can identify the taste. Is it taste good or it is taste bad? Suppose you eat lemon. What is the taste of lemon? It is very sour. Suppose you eat bitter gourd. What is the taste of bitter gourd? It's very bitter. So how can we know their taste? Using our tongue, we can taste any object. Taste of the object. Next one is skin. Using our skin, we can know whether the suppose in your both hands you hold a hot cup of tea in your hand. In another hand, you hold an ice cube. How we feel when in which hand we hold a hot cup of tea that will very hot? How can we know that the tea is very hot? By the sense of touch. If we touch a hot thing, we can feel that it's very hot. When we hold an ice cube or ice cream, we know that it's very cool. How can we know? By the sense of touch. When we touch that thing, we can feel that yes, this thing is very cool. So these are our sense organs which are help us to know about any object. So these 5 sense organs are very, very useful to us. Our body works like a machine. Yes or no, students? Because like a machine, all the parts are working but in a particular way. Like us, our body is also works in their own way. Every body parts have to have their own work. We must keep our body clean and we must take care of our body. Now I will give you some tips to keep our body clean and healthy. Some tips I will give you which will keeps you clean and healthy. What are the tips? Now, brush your teeth properly. బ్రష్ యువర్ టీత్ ప్రాపర్లీ. ఎలా పడితే అలాగా విదిన్ 2 minutes మనం బ్రష్ చేసాము అయిపోయింది, దట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. యూజ్ క్లీన్ యువర్ టీత్ ప్రాపర్లీ అండ్ బ్రష్ యువర్ టీత్ ట్వైస్ ఏ డే. మనం రోజుకి 2 times మనం బ్రష్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ when you get up from the bed, at that time we have to brush, and before going to bed you have to also brush our teeth. This brushing keeps our teeth clean. Okay, now next, what is the next tip? Now have a bath every day. Every day we must have to bath. Comb your hair properly. మనము మన హెయిర్ కి కూడా జాగ్రత్త తీసుకోవాలి కదా, బికాస్ హెయిర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ బాడీ. హౌ హెయిర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ప్రొటెక్ట్ us ఫ్రమ్ ద హీట్. ఇన్ సమ్మర్ when you go outside, your hair is protect you from the direct sunlight, so we must take care of our hair also. So comb your hair properly and take care of your hair. If you had ever earache and చెవు నొప్పి, if you had ever an earache, you should not enter any pin into your ear. Means మనం చెవు నొప్పి వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఎప్పుడు చెవు లోపల ఇయర్ పిన్ ని పెట్టకూడదు. At that time we must have to go to a doctor. Always eat healthy foods which will keeps you healthy. We must eat healthy food by which we can be healthy. We have teeth in our mouth. మన నోరు లోపల teeth ఉన్నాయి కదా. We have also to clean our mouth and eat the food properly. And using our mouth, using our teeth, chew the food properly. అంటే ఫుడ్ తిన్నప్పుడు గబగబా తినకుండా ఫుడ్ ని ప్రాపర్ గా chew అంటే నవిలేసి, ప్రాపర్ గా నవిలేసి దానికి మనం ఫుడ్ ని తినాలి. This is about our body parts. In this class I explain you all about our body parts. Okay, in this class we learn about our all our see children, now I will show you a video. In this video you can see how our body parts are functions. Means what are the functions of our body parts. In this video you can see this. So see the video properly and carefully and try to understand what is the lesson about. Thank you.
What do the parts of my body do? Eyes, neck. I can see with my eyes. I can move my head with the help of my neck. Nose, mouth. I smell and breathe with my nose. I talk and eat with my mouth. My arms, hands and fingers. I have 2 arms, 2 hands and 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. I write with my hand. I can hold a glass with my hand. I can pull with my hand. My arms help me do all these. I can lift with my arms. I can throw with my arms. I can make things with my hands, legs and feet. I can kick. I can stand. I can walk. I can run. I can jump. I can dance. Parts of the body work together so that you can do something. Look at what I am doing in the pictures. I am dancing. I am batting. I am catching a ball. I am skipping with a rope. In each of these, each part of my body works in a special way. Many parts of the body move when we work or play. My arms and legs move. My neck and head move. My arms and hands move. My chest and back move. That is how I can do so much.
About this video and what our body parts. Okay, after this video we will send some worksheets. Do that. Okay, thank you.